Tesla promotes its impressive factory lineup. Tesla has grown into one of the world's largest producers of electric vehicles, but the company is still just getting started. Despite delivering over 1.8 million cars and posting notable growth in its energy business last year, Tesla still only operates 7 dedicated production facilities worldwide. As highlighted by Tesla in a recent video, however, each of its facilities in the United States, China, and Europe are admirable. Tesla's recent video, which was posted on the company's main handle on X, the social media platform formerly known as Twitter, featured a quick walkthrough of its 7 production facilities across 3 continents. The video only showcases factories that are already operational today, so upcoming sites like Giga Mexico and the Shanghai Megafactory were not yet included. Despite this, one could not deny the fact that Tesla's factory lineup is impressive. The Fremont factory, which was opened in 2010, is Tesla's oldest electric vehicle plant. But it still holds the distinction of being the first factory that produced the Model S, Model X, Model 3, and Model Y. It is also one of the area's largest employers, and is one of the country's most productive auto factories. Gigafactory Nevada, which was opened in 2016, is a silent presence in the typical Tesla news cycle. But it is significant, being one of the world's highest volume plants for electric motors, batteries, and powertrains. It is also the production hub of the Tesla Semi. Giga New York, which was also opened in 2016, plays an important part in Tesla's operations as well, since it produces the solar roof, superchargers, and power electronics. Tesla's vehicle production saw a notable ramp in 2018 when Giga Shanghai was launched. The facility, which is also Tesla's first international plant, produces Model 3 and Model Y units, and it currently serves as the company's primary vehicle export hub. Giga Berlin Brandenburg and Giga Texas were both launched in 2022, and each is quite special, with the former being the company's most advanced, sustainable, and efficient factory to date, and the latter being the site of the Cybertruck's production. If one were to consider the fact that Giga Texas and Giga Berlin Brandenburg are both still being ramped today, Tesla's 1.8 million vehicle production in 2023 is extremely impressive. There are probably few carmakers in the world today, after all, which would be able to produce cars at Tesla's level with just as many factories as the EV maker. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.